Hi, it's Don Gilliam. How's everyone doing? Well, you know, I finally finished a job and I'm back home. And you know, you should always take a little time for yourself. I know we're used to just running from one job to the other, but you know, you do want to take a time to just kind of decompress. So it takes me about a week. I'm not gonna lie. You know, I don't know if it's just my age or whatever, but when I go from the time zones and just have been working for so long, it just takes me a moment even after I've wrapped out. So I just wanted to talk to you today about leveling up. You know, I've been using that word. I've been saying this is the year of the Script Supervisor 2021. You know, just focus on our craft. Let's elevate and uplift everyone and level up, you know. But, you know, what does that mean? So what I'm saying, I'm believing what it's meaning is that we're asking for a lot of things. It is a lot of things, but it's all justified. But one of the things is if you're able to get that rate, your rate up, if you're able to negotiate whatever it is that you're trying to do, getting another script supervisor on set with you to this expanded workload. But what if your skills aren't leveled up? Yeah, you've been doing it 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30 years. But when's the last time you really looked at your craft? When's the last time you looked at your paperwork? When's the last time have you followed your work? When's the last time you picked up a book on editing or gone into the editing room? We've got to level up that we are just like the best script supervisor for the project. The you take a directing class. Maybe you take an acting class. Maybe you go and talk with the DP a little bit more, maybe about lighting or about anything that is going to educate you, take you to another level, make you look at the craft a little bit different. Also, I got a phone call that's coming in. It's amazing when you try to film, all kinds of stuff goes on. So I lost train of thought. I don't know. In my little time right now that I have before my next gig, you know, I got a lot of adulting to do, but I've picked a couple of things. You know, our local lets us do LinkedIn. It's a LinkedIn education, and it used to be lynda.com, and so I'm listening to a few of those courses, how to conduct meetings, email writing, leadership, and all of these things that I'm finding that I need to perfect because I am writing more emails. I believe that, and then I have my own little side hustle. You know, if anybody doesn't know, Date My Makeup, please come follow. So I am always trying to level up on my skills. And I think that that's what level up it means. At least that's what I'm saying. You know, we need to level up the craft. You need to make sure that you're doing the job to the best of your ability. And like I said before, in some of these chat groups and stuff that you know, script supervising chat groups and the Facebook groups and stuff, is that, you know, find a veteran script supervisor that you admire and maybe have them just look over your work. You know, and I don't believe anybody should do anything for free. And if they do, that's fine. But you should, you know, come with something, you know, have a Starbucks thing or take them out, you know, now that it's opening up, take them out to lunch, something, you know, to appreciate their wisdom or their expertise. Or take a class or, you know, I mean, it's a lot of things that you can do to elevate yourself. Well, you know, when I come on and do these things, I don't really rehearse it, you know, so I'm not going to edit it. Who got time for that, right? You know, I hope everyone is well. I hope that, you know, you guys are taking everything to heart. There's going to be a negotiating opportunity to be working with a negotiating trainer soon. So get your ducats and get your coins together. because this is the year of the script supervisor. I'm going to keep pushing and pushing and pushing for us to elevate this craft, and we are trying to update it best we can. Like I said, you know, anytime some of these groups are having meetings and stuff, make sure that you're involved with the craft. Let people know about it. You know, I'm still needing someone to help me with doing outreach. We need to get a PowerPoint presentation together or something, and if that's your like expertise, and you know, maybe you can throw something together, just contact me, you know. But everyone is doing really good. People's spirits are higher. People are asking for more money, and we're just trying to, you know, and we're going to be trying to give that information out to you as best we can. So I'm doing a lot of humming now. That means I need to go. So take care. Be safe. Talk to you soon. Peace.